Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this Infiniti QX60 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation for the headlight, we need to make sure we lift the hood. That way we have area to clean on the inside of the headlight. You can have the hood lifted up, or you could just have it cracked open like this. We just need to make sure we have this top layer exposed, that we were able to clean it off. So apply slip solution, which is just water and baby shampoo mixed together. Once you apply your slip solution onto the lens, grab a clean microfiber towel and make sure to remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So make sure you clean all of the inside here. Okay, so once we finish prepping the film, now we can start with the installation. Just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And we're going to start by aligning this section of the tint to this area of the headlight here. So align it like this. And with this one, we're just making sure that the tint covers the clear color of the headlight. So you're going to notice there's a clear and a more darker color to the headlight here. So it's only covering the clear section here. That way it covers the top clear headlight here. So once you have it aligned, lift the film and we're going to apply tack solution for a good amount here. That way we're able to tack it down, secure it, and it stays still on this edge. That way it doesn't shift when we stretch the film that way. So make sure to keep it aligned. Apply tack solution, hold it with one hand, and then with your squeegee, tack down the film. And this is the reason why we needed to clean the top section, because the tint does come on the inside here. So it's important to clean the inside as well. Make sure this whole section stays tacked down. Remove all of the solution that's underneath the film. And now we could work our way in stretching the film to the other end here. Okay, so once we secured that section there, just apply slip solution on this end. That way we're able to move the film around, because if we don't apply slip solution, it's just going to get stuck. And if we stretch it without applying slip solution, we may damage the adhesive. So it's important to apply slip solution. That way we stretch the film like this, and it allows us to move it around. So what you need to do now is just stretch the film until you reach it to this end here. So make sure the pointy part aligns to the edge here, and make sure you're holding with the other hand right here as well. So we stretch this way and stretch downward. So hold it in position for a couple seconds. Grab your tack solution, apply it onto the tint. Make sure everything still stays aligned, and then start tacking it down slowly. Start from this end, since this is where we left off, and work your way to this curve here. Make sure when you're tacking it down to remove all the solution that's underneath the film. And if you encounter these fingers like this, like these here, these should be easy to remove just by applying a little bit of heat and tack solution. Now to remove these fingers, like I mentioned, apply tack solution around where the fingers are located. You're going to grab either a heat gun or a hair dryer and use the lowest setting for the heat. That way we don't accidentally burn the film. So when you're using the heat, spread the heat evenly. That way we don't burn the film. And all this, what it does is helps shrink these fingers. That way we're able to secure them and tack them down around this small curve here. So just spread the heat evenly. Once you finish applying heat, you're going to grab your microfiber towel, wrap it around your squeegee, and do this method where you squeegee going at an angle. That way we help tack down the fingers here. So hold it, squeegee, hold it for a couple seconds, and just do this step. And then you just continue this process. So once you finish with the entire installation for the headlight, the last thing to do is to pulse heat the entire film. So all you need to do is apply tack solution to the entire headlight, and we're going to use our heat gun. You can use a hairdryer as well. Use the low setting for this part and just apply heat evenly throughout the entire headlight. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster, and as we're applying heat, we're just going to use our microfiber towel just to help it tack down around the edges. And also around the edges there may be still some solution that's trapped underneath there, so our microfiber towel will help us remove and secure the edges of the tint. So take your time applying heat throughout the entire headlight, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Infiniti QX60. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.